The numbers of the amount of Forex traders which actually return a profit is extremely scary. It's less than 1 in 4 traders which open a funded account will actually return a profit on that account. The matter of fact is that trading Forex is a negative sum game. This means that the odds are stacked against you when it comes to making money trading Forex. However, don't be afraid, there still is the possibility of you being able to make a return and make money trading Forex. And it's a matter of making sure that you manage your risk, you manage your emotions, and you enter trades which have a positive expectancy. What is going on, guys? It's Thomas here, and today we'll be discussing how you can start making money trading the Forex market. Trading the foreign exchange market is typically known as the Wild West of the trading industry. This means that there's a lot of gurus out there selling the dream and trying to show you how you can make millions of dollars trading Forex. However, unfortunately, the Lamborghinis and nice cars and nice houses aren't the actual case of how it is to become a consistently profitable trader. Becoming a consistently profitable Forex trader takes time and skill. The numbers are stacked against you. There's less than 1 in 4 traders which will actually return a profit, and therefore you need to make sure that the process and your learning process is correct, and you spend the time to learn the trade and to ensure that you're entering into positive expectancy trades. I've said it before, but the matter of fact is that 90% of traders will lose 90% of their funds within the first 90 days. And there's reasons why these type of traders will continue to lose money, and the big banks will continue to reap the rewards of the little traders being negligent and not learning the right ways to trade. So the keys of becoming a consistently profitable trader and actually making money trading Forex lies in your understanding in how to manage risk, manage emotions, and enter into trades which have a positive expectancy. So we'll be covering these 3 mechanisms as well as the stages of becoming a consistently profitable trader. So before we get stuck into the video, if you do enjoy this content, please make sure you drop a like, hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell, and that way you can keep updated with any future videos which I release. So first we'll discuss how you actually make money trading Forex, the actual macros of how to make money trading the Forex markets. So put simply, making money in the Forex markets, you either need to buy low and sell high, or sell high and buy low. So in the Forex markets, there's typically a currency pair against another currency pair. So you've got the euro against the US dollar. And let's say if the euro US dollar exchange rate is 1.5, so that means that your 1 euro will buy you 1.5 US dollars. And if this increases from 1.5 up to 3, which is extremely hypothetical, just to give you a nice easy numbers to work with, but if it increases from 1.5 up to 3, this means that you've doubled your money. So let's say you put 1,000 euros into account and you bought $1,500 of US dollars, and this exchange increased to $3, that means that your euro would be now 2,000 euros. And on top of this, most brokers will also offer leverage. So leverage means that you're basically borrowing money from the brokerage, and that way you can increase your position size so you can buy more of the currency. So let's say if your broker offers a 50 to 1 leverage, so that means that your $1,000 will now become $50,000. So instead of buying $1,000, you're now able to buy $50,000. So instead of your return being $1,000, your return is now going to be $50,000. So this is extremely hypothetical, and I do not recommend using this type of leverage and trading this amount of risk on a particular trade, just to show you the understandings of how money is actually made in the Forex market. And this is one of the main issues why people aren't profitable trading Forex. They over leverage themselves, they see how much they can make on a single trade, and they go and make trades like the one that I discussed earlier, and end up blowing an account in a matter of seconds. Because you may be able to make $50,000, but on the other hand, if the markets drop, and only if they drop slightly with this type of trade, then your $1,000 stake in your funded account will be gone in a matter of moments. So at the start of the video, I described the Forex market as a negative sum game. So basically what this means is that if there's a zero-sum game, that means if someone is to win money and make a profit, someone on the other hand is going to be losing money. However, in the Forex market, it's not a zero-sum game, it's actually what they call a negative sum game. And this is due to the spreads which most brokers will provide, as well as commissions on the trades as well. So instead of being a zero-sum game, it's actually a negative sum game. So the odds are stacked against you when it comes to making money trading Forex. So whenever you're making a profit, there's going to be multiple people losing money on the other end. This isn't like the stock market. The stock market is a positive sum game, so everyone can make money together. However, when it comes to trading Forex, not everyone will be making a profit. There's only going to be less than 1 in 4 people that will actually turn a profit on their account. And this is the reason why the big banks are able to make so much money trading the currencies. This is due to the fact that they're able to reap the rewards of the negligent retail traders, the typical traders that starts up a small funded account and thinks they're going to be making enough money to buy themselves a Lamborghini in no time. However, end up blowing account after account because they haven't put the time and effort into learning and understanding how to actually trade currencies. And quite frankly, it is what it is. This is how the game works. This is what you need to understand when you are entering the Forex market, is that if you are making profits, there are going to be other people on the other end that will be losing money. However, if you do want to be a profitable trader and you do want to trade the Forex market, you need to understand that it is what it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. And this is just a part of the game and the trading of the Forex market. Alrighty, so now we're going to discuss the 4 stages of becoming a profitable trader. So there's 4 stages along your trading journey, and it's extremely important to understand what these stages are and whereabouts you are on your own trading journey. So the first stage is unconscious incompetence. And in this stage, you basically don't know what you don't know. You're starting to learn, you've watched a couple of YouTube videos and a couple of Forex gurus try to tell you how easy it is to make 100 pips a day. And you're coming into the industry thinking that trading is going to be extremely easy and you're going to pick it up in no time. However, you really don't understand how the markets work, how money is actually made trading, and how you are able to become a consistently profitable trader. Unfortunately, this is the most dangerous stage, and this is where a lot of people are stuck and will never get out of. And this is where the majority of those unsuccessful traders and the traders which lose that 90% in the first 90 days are stuck in forever. And the next stage is conscious incompetence. So basically that means that you know and you understand that you don't understand everything about how to trade. You're beginning to understand that there's a lot to learn and it's not as easy as just clicking a button when it comes to becoming a profitable trader. And this is the stage where most people will start to try and find a trading education platform or a guru and someone that can actually guide them to becoming a consistently profitable trader. This stage is also known as the demo warrior stage. So this is where people will start to dabble in the currency market. They might open a demo account or a small funded account. They might have a couple of wins and create a bit of confidence around their trading, and then typically they're slammed by a drawdown and lose all confidence in their trading and their systems. Unfortunately, again, a lot of traders are stuck between stages 2 and 3. They'll start trading a system, they'll start to make a lot of profits and create a little bit of confidence around their trading style and system. However, when they hit a drawdown, they'll jump ship and try to find another system because they just don't have the confidence yet in their trading to be able to stick through losses and stick through a drawdown. And that third stage, which we discussed, is conscious competence. So basically that means that you're starting to understand how to trade the currency markets. You're taking trading a lot more seriously. You're starting to be able to make profits trading and have a lot more faith in your trading systems. So in this stage, the traders finally understood that there is no holy grail when it comes to trading. They've probably written the trading system up. They've probably got a trading plan in place. And this is where traders will start to begin to make a profit on their accounts. However, this still is a learning stage. You still don't have complete confidence in your trading abilities. You're still learning the skills of trading and how to control your emotions and control risk. And this is still a learning phase along your journey of becoming a consistently profitable trader. And the last stage, and the stage which all traders should be working towards becoming, is the unconscious competence. So basically this means that trading is becoming a routine for you. At this stage, trading will become boring. It's become a lot more of pattern recognition, and you'll be following the same routine and obviously taking a profit from the market, having confidence in your system, being able to manage your money, manage your risk, and also manage your emotions. And this is the stage where traders will become consistently profitable and start to return consistent profits from their trading systems. And if you do want to start making money trading Forex, it is extremely important to understand these 4 stages of trading and understanding exactly where you sit. You need to be able to see where exactly you want to head to and where your goals are in your trading, learning and education. And the last stage, the unconscious competence, is the end goal and where you want to become in a part of your trading. There is no perfection in Forex trading, and that's the best part about it. You can never perfect it. It's a continuing learning curve. You're continuing to learn and adapt and improve your systems and improve your abilities, and you'll never be able to perfect your trading abilities. Even the most experienced traders will spend hours every week learning and improving their abilities and being able to adapt to different market conditions. There are no shortcuts in trading when it comes to creating wealth out of trading Forex. This is why you need to understand exactly where you sit on the 4 stages and understand exactly where you need to head to become a consistently profitable trader. So if you do want to become a consistently profitable trader and start making profits from your trading, I have 3 tips for you. Tip number 1 is learn to backtest. Boring, but it is the most crucial part of your trading journey. Backtesting will assist in your understanding of how profitable your trading systems are, if your trading system has a positive expectancy, and most importantly, it will provide more confidence for you in your trading system. If you're spending the hours backtesting and understanding exactly how your systems work and how to enter your trades, you're going to create a lot more confidence around your trading, and when it comes to a drawdown, you'll understand what type of losses your trading system has taken before and be able to confidently trade your way through drawdowns. And like I said earlier, one of the most important parts is understanding how to manage your emotions. And the emotions which come with a drawdown are the ones that traders will always need to improve and try to conquer over. And that's why having the confidence in your system through your backtesting will help you to overcome the negative emotions which come with a drawdown. So my second tip is to shift your mindset and understand that traders are really risk managers. So what I mean is that when you're actually trading, you're really just managing risk. It's all about money management and managing your risk and making sure that you're not over leveraged and trading with a too high of a position size. You need to be able to let your profits run and also cut your losses short. So I typically recommend that for any particular trade, you should risk a maximum of 2% on the trade, no higher than 2%. That means if you've got a $10,000 account funded, the highest loss you should take on one single trade should be only $200. And at this rate and at this type of risk level, it's basically impossible to blow your account. And on top of this, it's extremely important to understand how to manage your money and how to make sure you let your profits rise. So as your account is increasing in value, there's multiple money management mechanisms which you can add in to ensure that you maximize your profits and continue to grow your account at an increased rate. And my last tip for you is to treat trading like a business. So what I mean by this is that you need to be able to take your trading seriously. The mindset needs to shift from it being a hobby to being like a business. You need to take your trading seriously. You must have a plan in place, just like you'd have a business plan for a particular business. And you need to make sure you understand the ins and outs of your trading, understand each trade that you enter, whether it's been a good trade and one that you should be entering into. And most importantly, you need to have goals set in regards to where you see yourself with your trading and continue to learn and improve your abilities. Once you stop treating trading as a hobby and start treating it seriously and treating it like a business and putting the effort into becoming a consistently profitable trader, this is when you'll start making money trading Forex. So that's it guys, there's my top 3 tips for starting to make money trading Forex. Make sure that you backtest, make sure that you shift your mindset to understand that you're really a risk manager and start treating trading like a business. If you take these 3 tips on board, I promise you that your trading is going to be improved dramatically. Thank you so much for tuning in guys. If you do have any questions, please feel free to comment below. If you did enjoy the video and are liking the content, please make sure you destroy the like button, hit subscribe so you can keep updated with future videos. Thank you again so much for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you next time.